Hello students, this is Nitin Mohod, and through this video we are going to see cathode ray tube, which is in short called as CRT, and it is basically the heart of CRO, that is cathode ray oscilloscope. Now what is cathode ray tube? It is basically a vacuum tube with a special geometric shape and which can generate a plenty of electrons. These electrons are accelerated to high velocity and brought to focus on the fluorescent screen. Fluorescent screen means a phosphor coated screen, a screen which is from the inner side coated with the phosphor material, which has got the property that when the electron beam or electron strikes the screen, it produces a bright spots there. The electron beam produces a spot of light wherever it strikes the phosphor screen. It can be deflected on its journey in response to the electrical signals under study, resulting in display of electrical signal waveforms. For CRT operation, various electrical signals and voltages are required, and the main parts of CRT are evacuated glass envelope, electron gun assembly, deflection plate assembly, and fluorescent or phosphor coated screen. Here you can see the diagram for CRT which is shown, and within which the total assembly is available for focusing the electron beam onto the screen. First of all, we will see this diagram part wise. So first we will see evacuated glass envelope, a funnel shaped glass tube or glass envelope you can see here is evacuated to a fairly high vacuum so that the emitted electrons can freely move from one end to another end of the tube. All other remaining components, as you can see here, are enclosed within a glass envelope. Then electron gun assembly. This electron gun assembly basically consists of heater element, then cathode, then control grid, then pre-accelerating anode, focusing anode, and accelerating anode. It's an electrodes arrangement which produces a focused beam of electrons consisting of indirectly heated cathode and the necessary heater element, a control grid, pre-accelerating, focusing, and accelerating anode. Electron gun assembly, the purpose for providing this electron gun assembly is to provide the source of electrons converged and focused into a well-defined beam which is accelerating towards the fluorescent screen. Electrons beam emitted by thermionic emission. Thermionic emission means heating of the cathode with the help of heater element, that is called thermionic emission. So electrons beam emitted by thermionic emission from the heated cathode is surrounded by a cylindrical cap which is maintained at negative potential called control grid and has a small hole at the center. Being at negative potential, electrons repelled away from the cylinder walls and hence comes out through this hole and move into the electric fields of pre-accelerating, focusing, and accelerating anodes. Anodes are maintained at high positive potentials with respect to cathode, and hence electrons emitted from the cathode and passing through the hole of the control grid are accelerated by the high positive potential which is applied to the pre-accelerating and accelerating anode. The electron beam is focused by the focusing anode which is just ahead of the pre-accelerating anode. Accelerating anode follows the focusing anode which adds the last energy to the electron beam before its journey to the screen. On leaving the accelerating anode, electron beam passes through two sets of plates, that is vertical deflecting plates and horizontal deflecting plates. Potential on vertical deflecting plates or vertical plates control the motion of this beam in a vertical direction, while the potential on horizontal deflecting plates controls the horizontal motion of the beam. Inner walls of the CRT between neck and the screen, from here to here or here to here, are usually coated with the conducting material which is called aqueduct. This coating is electrically connected to the accelerating anode internally, so that the electrons which accidentally strikes the walls are returned to the anode. This prevents the walls of the tube from charging to high negative potential. I hope the idea of CRT along with the assembly associated with it, so far the working of or formation of electron beam and focusing that beam onto the screen and producing different waveforms on the screen is clear to you. Thank you.